What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Monday, Labor Day, September 2nd, 2024. A little after 8 o'clock in the morning here in the great state of New York. I'm going on an emergency service call. I got an email last night at 1 o'clock in the morning. I went to go use the head at around 2:15 last night, and I see this email from an existing customer. Mike, my thermostat's working. Can you help us out? I was like, sure, I'll be there tomorrow morning between 9 and 11. And sure enough, I woke up this morning around about an hour ago after walking the dogs. And she goes, that'd be awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're in the Central Florida, Orlando region, Mikey Pipes, will be in town Thursday and Friday of this week. So if you want that free service call and you want me, Mikey Pipes, give me a call, 407-375-1100. Let's go put this thermostat in. Let's do it now.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So sorry on a holiday.
It's okay. That's what we're here for.
I appreciate it. I don't know. I tried to change the batteries, and
Hi.
and it's just dark. I came down this morning and it was on. I tried to change the temperature because it was when we were playing around with it. I guess it was.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's like.
Yeah, completely. Oh, then it went on. See. It's weird. House from, and they put the wallpaper up directly on the sheetrock. So the whole house needed to be coated. Yeah. Oh, it's ridiculous.
It's crazy.
It is.
All right, so these two are for the boiler, and these two are for the heat. R, C, G, and Y, R, H, and W.
You know that.
Yeah, and this ancient wallpaper.
Yes.
All right, there were two screw holes in the plate that was mounted horizontally in the wall, and this is firm. So let's resplice, cut these ends off, and secure them. All right, cool, hold is on, set for 70, reading 78. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry I didn't record much content during this service call for a randomly turning on and off White Rogers 1F80 361 thermostat. Yes, I know the model numbers on stupid things like that. Just like how I can remember every single service call I've been on. As long as you show me the house, I'll tell you exactly what I did in it. It's like that stupid freaking memory I got. Nonetheless, sorry it wasn't really much of an educational video, but when in doubt, change it out. But it also shows the type of company that I operate. You know, it is a federal holiday. It is technically the last day, well, not technically, the unofficial end of summer. And here it is. You have the owner of the company going out on Labor Day Monday, allowing my team to enjoy their time off. So when you call Pipe Doctor Home Services, that's the kind of quality and service that you get. So if you're in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area, and you're tired of dealing with a mediocre company that just gives you the runaround and promises to come out but doesn't, well, maybe it's time you call someone else. And I would appreciate you give me a call at 516-348-6300, or save time. Book your service call online at pipedoc.net. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, Thursday and Friday of this week, which is the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and the 6th of September 2024, I will be in the greater Orlando region running some service calls with Christian. We also got a ribbon cutting on Friday. It's going to be awesome. The West Orange Civic Association, the Commerce place. It'll be awesome. All right, guys. I need to get some coffee. Thanks for tuning in. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.